Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can create a post for Instagram using Blaze AI. In order to do so, here we are at blaze.ai and we're all logged in. And the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to connect your Instagram account. So you can see here on the right-hand side, you can integrate your accounts. If we click on Connect Instagram, then here you're going to see that in order to connect your Instagram, you are going to need a Facebook business page to schedule posts. Because of this, we need to authenticate through Facebook. So bear that in mind. If you want to use the Instagram post function, then you are going to need to connect through Facebook business page. To create the post, if we head over here to social media in the tab, then you can see here what platform do we want to create content for. Here we have Instagram. We're going to go ahead and click on that. And there you go. We have a few options here. We can post, do a story, do a reel. We can create multiple posts. And you have script, and we can also start blank. Let's go ahead and take a look at post. And what kind of post do we want to make? Mostly text or more visual. Let's go ahead and go with more visual because Instagram is more of a visual platform, and we're going to refine our post details. What is your post about? This content focuses on the importance of cultivating a sustainable lifestyle and how small daily actions can make a significant difference in reducing our environmental impact. So you can go with a suggestion. You can also regenerate. And we have, looks like kind of the same thing there. There we go. So it looks like it's all kind of focused on sustainable living, which is fine. The essence of seasonal changes and their impact on daily life. So there you go. So this one's a little bit different. It's on the seasonal changes and how that impacts our daily life. So that's kind of cool. But if you want to write your own, you can. So we can click on that. And in this case, we'll say this is for talking about the top AI tools available, something like that. And then we can move on to the next section to refine our post details. We could select a design to start with. We'll just let it think here for a moment. We can also see here that we can edit the caption beneath the post. So right here, based on our previous input, now we have something that's a bit more fleshed out. Explore the cutting edge of technology. Exploring the cutting edge of technology is essential for staying ahead. Let's dive into the top AI tools shaking up the industry right now. So that's pretty cool with just our basic prompt that has fleshed that out for us. And now we have design we can start with. So we have a few options here that we can look at. I think I like this one here, so we'll go ahead and use that. We can name our design and select a location. So we have our documents here. We can create a new project if we want, but we'll just go ahead and leave it at that. We'll leave that as well. And then we also have to connect the account. So you don't have any Instagram integrations connected at the moment. You can still generate your post and then set up your integration so we can connect it if we want. Let's go ahead and click on generate post. And there you go. So we have our nice post. We'll go ahead and give that a thumbs up. Thanks for your feedback. We'll just close that for now. And you can see here, we've got a really nice post that we can put out on our Instagram page. So that is how you can do the same thing. If you're interested in taking advantage of Blaze so that you can create instant Instagram posts and maintain your presence on social media, then you can do that as well. If we go back here, we can also do multiple posts. So for this one, we can, so here, how many posts do you want to plan? 10 posts 2 times a week for 5 weeks. So that gives you an idea of how you can create multiple Instagram posts. So if you really want to maintain your social media presence and have Blaze do all the heavy lifting for you, then you can use this option. It's a really nice feature, and Blaze is a really fantastic platform. If you're a content creator, if you're trying to maintain your presence on social media, on the web, then Blaze can help you with so many things, not just Instagram posts, but emails, blogs, videos, all sorts of great stuff. So head on over to Blaze AI if this looks like something that would work for you. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our Linktree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it. And if you are interested in Simply Financial, if you're looking for a new online bank, highly recommend Simply Financial. You can get $50 to start by clicking on the link in our Linktree. And if you refer your friends, then you will get $125 and they will also get $50 to start. It's a great deal. Simply is a great bank. Highly recommend it.